My dear children, let me start the review of our second chapter of mathematics, that is shapes and angle. Now, look here. These are the different shapes. The first one is rectangle, triangle, cuboid, square, circle, cylinder and semicircle. Now, these are the different types of geometrical shapes with different sides. So, number of sides, when the number of sides increases, their name is also changed. The first one is pentagon, and pentagon has 5 sides. The second one is hexagon, and hexagon has 6 sides. The third one is septagon, and septagon has 7 sides. Then the fourth one is decagon, and decagon has 10 sides. Now look here. Look here. These are the angle family. The first one is obtuse angle. The second small boy is an acute angle, and the girl is right angle. So here is a family. Here is a small family with their pet. Father, mother, kids and their pet. Father is obtuse angle, but the kid is acute angle, and the mother is right angle, but their pet the pet is dog, and dogs, you see the mouth of the dog, outer side of the mouth of the dog, it forms reflex angle. Now, baby acute angle. What the baby acute angle say? This is baby acute angle. Isn't he cute? He loves a hug and always has his arm out for cuddles. He is the smallest of the family, measuring less than 90 degree. Then the angle who is less than 90 degree is acute angle. Now, the second one is Mrs. Right angle. This is me. I am Mrs. Right. I always measure 90 degree. My favorite shape is a square, and what's more, no matter what my husband tells you, I am always right. So this angle forms 90 degree. So it is right angle. Now, Mr. Obtuse, he is the husband of right angle, and he has one kid. The name of his kid is acute. Now, he is obtuse. This is obtuse. He is the husband of the family. He is bigger than right and acute. He is always inside, and he always measure between 90 degree and 180 degree, depending on how much dinners he is eaten. Now, so the angle between 90 degree to 180 degree is always which angle? It is always obtuse angle. Now, this one is reflex angle. So, what is reflex angle? Now, this one is the pet dog of whom? Pet dog of Mr. Obtuse and Mrs. Right. Now, he is our pet dog, Reflex. He is always outside. He is only a pup at the moment, so he measures 180 degree, but he can grow up to 360 degree. Now, look here. The outer side of his mouth, it forms how much degree? More than 80 degree but less than 360 degree. So the angle which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is reflex angle. So he is definitely the biggest angle. You will never see him without that ball in his mouth, either horrid thing. Now look here. Now you have meters. Let's see how well you know us. Who am I? I always measure less than 90 degree. Then which angle is? Acute angle. I'm the smallest. I'm very cute. So I am acute angle. Now, next one. Who am I? I'm always outside. I'm the biggest angle. I can measure between 180 degree and 360 degree. So who am I? I am reflex angle. Now, who am I? I always between 90 degree and 180 degree. I am always inside. I am bigger than right and acute. So who am I? I am Mr. Obtuse. Who's left? Left is right angle. Now learn this thing always. Different types of angles. Acute angle less than 90 degree. Right angle 90 degree. Obtuse angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Reflex angle more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Complete angle is 360 degree and the straight angle is 180 degree. Thank you.